Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to back to our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet neck warmer designs ideas collection. Beautiful neck warmer, beautiful designs, beautiful patterns, very amazing, different colorful crochet, handmade, hand knitted neck warmer designs ideas collection. Beautiful designs, beautiful patterns, very amazing, different colorful crochet, handmade, hand knitted neck warmer designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs. That I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Thank you watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Well, remember, pray and Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Good luck.